back to Orozco's Kitchen. If you guys recently bought a Pit Boss, these are the top 5 issues that Pit Boss and other pellet grills alike have. All right, so before we get started, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button. No, I'm just kidding, but no, really, hit the subscribe button. A thumbs up on this video, all right, and leave your comments down below. So the number one issue you're gonna have with a pellet grill or a Pit Boss, in this case, is gonna be temperature fluctuations. So as you know, it has a MIDI controller and it runs electronically, and sometimes it doesn't hold that temperature because it has issues with either the auger or the actual electronic unit. It doesn't hold the temperature, it takes too long to hold the temperature, so then you get overcooking or undercooking on your foods. So that's just one issue, but to solve that issue, what I would do is just always check your temperatures consistently and also check your meats internally to make sure that they're fully cooked. So the second common issue that these pellet grills have is the actual pellets themselves feeding through the auger. So sometimes they get jammed up and the thing just stops cooking, and it's happened to me. I actually have a video on that and what to do when that does happen, but that's another common problem with these Pit Bosses or these pellet grills is those pellets, it runs on an auger system that just turns, and sometimes they just get jammed up, and because of that, it just ruins your cook. So that's something to consider. That's problem number 2. So sometimes those augers actually malfunction altogether, which is not a pellet feeding issue like issue 2. This issue number 3 is actually the actual auger just completely taking a dump on you. Yeah, that sucks. And I've seen that it happens to other folks. So it's a possibility that you might be smoking and this thing eventually just dies on you. Now you have to go and replace this part, and it's gonna be expensive, it's gonna be timely, okay? So just make sure that you guys know this before buying it, okay? Issue number 4 would be the actual quality of the grill, the way it's made, from the steel to the screws to how it was built at the manufacturer. And as far as mine, I've had some issues with it where the screws on top of the lid, they come loose and they're just used really bad screws. And this rust, it's just some rusting in certain areas, but I mean, I've had the grill for 3 years. There's gonna be some wear and tear, but so far it's pretty sturdy. But I have seen grills like the Weber that are built just much stronger and much more to last you a long time. So another common complaint on the Pit Boss is the actual customer service. You try calling them when there's an issue with, let's say, the MIDI controller or the auger or the pellets or something else that's been malfunctioning on your Pit Boss, and these guys don't answer the phone, or if they do, there's warranty issues. They don't want to give you that money back for certain parts or give you a refund on what you actually deserve. So just take that into account, that the customer service isn't always the best. Some people do okay with them and some people don't, but there's more people that are complaining about the actual customer service side of owning this thing. So that's just one common complaint. That's issue number 5. All right, guys, so if I haven't convinced you not to buy it at this point, then that's a good thing, because this grill is amazing. Even though it has all these issues, I would still purchase this grill over again. So in these top 5 issues that this pellet grill has, this Pit Boss Pro Series 850, I would say definitely go out and buy one. I'm gonna go ahead and leave a link in the description of my grill and some of the accessories I use. Feel free to use them, and it'll definitely help my channel out if you do end up using my link description. I do receive like a small commission from Amazon, whatever, but you know, just check it out. It's in the link description. Go ahead and read it, and then make sure you check out some of those playlists while you're in that description. There's some videos of other cool food recipes and other food videos. All right, see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, and comment for more. It's time to get my grilling on.